Yeah, apologize. Like that.
Are y'all okay? Everybody's all right. You got everybody accounted for? Hey, you got everybody. Everybody's got all the fingers and toes? Okay.
An EF2 tornado struck Slidell Wednesday morning. Police officers and rescue crews were on the scene in a matter of minutes, and some of what they found was captured on a body camera video released by Slidell Police Friday on its YouTube and Facebook channels.
Can it bring up overpass?
So, like, you advised, yeah, figure it out. Are you out with the side?
All right, let's put a flip one right now. Just moved into McDonald's parking lot. I got trees. I'm out with the flip one. Hey, can you hear me? Hello?
West checks on the frightened but otherwise uninjured occupants in the salon and then checks on other businesses. He finds a car flipped on its side, and he asks if the person inside is okay and reassures them that help is on the way.
Are you hurt? Are you bleeding? Anybody else? Well, it appears the only victim I have so far is in the McDonald's parking lot. There's a wrecked vehicle on Pine Street, but she's all right. All right, just sit tight. We have help coming. I can't hear you, baby. Is there anybody else in the car? Okay, good. Just sit tight, okay? We have people coming.
West remains on the scene when the St. Tammany Fire Protection District 1 arrived on the scene and helped get the woman out of her vehicle.
Hey, everybody okay in here?
Yeah, we all right.
Everybody's got all the fingers and toes?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. That was a tornado, folks. I'm pretty sure.
That was us that called for them.
Yeah. I was shaking my car on Pine Street. I know that.
Yeah. But I'm not in the car.
Hey, you still good? You're not bleeding, are you? Okay, anything broken? You feel like you're hurt? All right, you scared a little? All right, me too, okay? You'll be all right. Hey, you're all right, okay? You're all right. Everything else can be fixed, okay? Just hold tight, okay? Just sit tight. Hey, she's okay, but she's trapped in her car. If we get, she's these cars are clear. Well, let me check this. Can't see in this one. Yeah, this one's clear. She says she's okay. She's moving around and everything all in there. No bleeding, nothing broken.
All right. Just for like a second.
Nah.
This is widespread.
I know. You can't hear her. It's up through the.
Are you okay? You're good. I'm gonna get a saw and cut this out. We'll just pull you out this way, okay? I'm gonna get it out, okay? 1 minute. All right. You get a saw.
All right.
Not anymore. Hold that for me really quick.
Okay.
Thank you. Covered? All right. There you go. All right. Be careful, okay? Don't fly here. You do. Try to think you. Come on. Be careful. Let's not keep it all muzzled. How you doing? All right. Are you heard anywhere? Okay.
52 slide off for the radio log. The female's been removed from the call now.
All right. I guess just wait inside McDonald's.
Been there a couple times.
Either way.
Hey, she's gonna come in with y'all for a little bit, okay?
Can I come in?
Yeah. Come on. We gotta go around this way. Come on.
All right.
Holy cow.
Come on.
Hey, are y'all okay? A freaking tornado came through town. Yeah, I mean, it's really dicked up here on Pontchartrain, so, and it was heading kind of towards those. Let's see, I'm soaking wet right now. All right, that's all I need to know. All right, good. All right, bye.
They're talking about the boat plate's got somebody trapped in there.
I asked everybody. They said they were all accounted for.
Okay, let me go see if.
I'll go double check, though. Hello? All right. Hello? All right, everybody still accounted for here? Nobody's trapped here?
Nobody's trapped.
Okay, because we were getting reports that somebody was trapped here.
Nobody's trapped.
Okay, that's like, Corey, she says everybody's good. I heard him say it was going towards, man, when I pulled up here, I mean, it was still pouring down cats and dogs and
I'm not gonna lie, man. I was coming from Walmart Natchez.
when I said zero visibility, my car was like all over the place. I thought I was gonna.
I had a dump with an adrenaline dump.
Yeah.
Because I turned around, I got on the overpass at Primo, and I couldn't see anything like you said.
Yep.
And my car was my SUV started to lift up.
Yep.
And I thought I was going over the bridge.
Yep.
So
Oh, I know. I felt it, brother. Because I was down at. I happened to be down on Spark right before it came in. I said, "This doesn't look good." I was looking at the clouds and just all the pine branches breaking off on Spark.
An EF2 tornado hit Slidell on Wednesday morning, prompting swift responses from police and rescue teams. Body camera footage released by Slidell police on YouTube and Facebook captured Officer Rodney West's actions. He promptly checked on people in a salon and other affected businesses, including comforting those trapped in a flipped car. West stayed until the arrival of the St. Tammany Fire Protection District 1, ensuring assistance for those in need.